Beating Constipation Naturally, Your Guide to Relief. Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us have faced at some point in our lives, constipation. But don't worry, we've got some fantastic solutions for you. So, if you're tired of feeling uncomfortable and sluggish, stick around. And hello to better health. So, if you've been struggling with constipation, give these recipes a try. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Additionally, regular physical activity and mindful eating can also help with constipation relief. Adjust portion sizes and ingredients to meet your dietary preferences and calorie requirements. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific dietary restrictions or medical conditions. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. And remember, your well-being is just a recipe away.